Beyond the North Sea, exploring geography and expression. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing phrase, beyond the North Sea. This expression is not just a directional or geographical term but carries with it a sense of adventure, history, and sometimes, the unknown. Let's unpack what it means and how you can use it in your conversations and writing. Stay tuned to explore more. Beyond the North Sea refers to what lies geographically north of the North Sea, a vast body of water located between Great Britain, Scandinavia, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, and France. However, the phrase often transcends its literal meaning. It's used to evoke imagery, emotions, and historical contexts. When someone uses this phrase, they might be talking about the physical regions north of the North Sea, but they could also be alluding to the cultures, stories, and climates of these distant lands. Beyond its geographical indication, beyond the North Sea can symbolize the unknown, adventure, or the exploration of something unfamiliar. It conjures images of rugged landscapes, ancient Vikings, or the stark beauty of Northern Europe. Writers and poets often use it to evoke a sense of mystery and allure, encouraging readers to imagine what lies in those far-off places. You can use beyond the North Sea in several contexts. Descriptive writing. To add depth and intrigue when describing places, people, or histories that are northern or have a connection to the regions beyond the North Sea. Metaphorical use. To discuss concepts or ideas that are unknown or yet to be discovered. For example, exploring this new theory is like looking beyond the North Sea. Conversational English. To express a desire for adventure or exploration, either literally or figuratively. We hope this exploration of the phrase, beyond the North Sea, has opened up new avenues of understanding and expression for you. Whether you're interested in the geographical, historical, or metaphorical implications, there's no doubt that this phrase adds a layer of richness to the English language. Remember, learning English is an adventure, much like going beyond the North Sea itself. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video.